channel. Sorry if I look so tired. My eyes are like literally bothering me right now, but it is 9 o'clock at night and I have been neglecting this master bathroom for way too long. So I need to deep clean my bathroom tonight before I go to bed, and that's what I'm going to take you guys with me. So also, if you notice throughout the video that there is like tons of unfinished painted areas in this bathroom, that's because I have not finished painting this bathroom yet. I still gotta paint the ceiling, and we all know, if you watched my video not that long ago, I just painted the master bedroom ceiling, and I need a break. I can't be doing another ceiling right now. But let's go ahead and get into this. I do not want to talk too much. I want to get into cleaning. I will do the voiceover, kind of explain some of the things, and show you some of the products I am using. I have a big bucket full, so yeah, let's use all these products on my bathroom. We turn a page and make... Today I decided to use my Thieves Cleaner on my floor. It's usually what I use majority of the time, but I was just craving that Christmassy mint smell, and that's exactly what this stuff smells like, and that's what I wanted in my bathroom, so that's what I was doing. And right here you're gonna see I am using this cleaner. It's called Oh Yuck. My husband actually found it on Amazon. Guys, this is like the best tub cleaner ever. It gets so much gunk out, like so much stuff that even my neighbor had to go and buy it. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and this is Life Made Simple. I have a blog also that I run called lifemadesimple.blog, and it is all full of my DIYs and a lot of affordable home decor shopping guides. And I just want to say welcome. If you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, and don't forget to hit the bell notification button. That way you know when I upload, because I normally upload Mondays and Wednesdays. Occasionally I will do a bonus video somewhere between Thursday and Sunday, but I have been working on some great content that is coming to you guys here very soon. So I have only been doing the Monday and Wednesday uploads, but I have a master bedroom renovation that is in the works, and I cannot wait till it's done, and I cannot wait to show you guys.
Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability. Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play.
Okay, I finally turned the jets off, and this is like the end result. So I have all this green bubbly stuff that's floating around. I have it over here, and the worst is right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to drain this, and then I will fill it up one more time, but not put the cleaner in, and kind of just run the jets one more time just to get anything left over that's in the jets out. That way next time I go to get in it, it's not flying out at me. So, and then I will take and I will scrub it with that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and drain this.
Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen.
This Clorox urine spray my husband found at Walmart, and it is amazing, guys. Like, I love this stuff. It gets rid of any pee smell. So if you have little kids, boys or girls, it works great. It also can go on your carpet, and it never stained any of my rugs or carpets, because when we were potty training we had some accidents and I used this, and it's not an overpowering smell. It doesn't have like a certain scent to it. It just takes that urine smell out of everything.
Yeah, you're taking me high.
watch a few videos back, I recently just got this Cedar Spin mop and I was super excited, and I kind of give my like review on it for using it for the first time. This is actually the second time I've ever used it and I love it, but don't get me wrong, mops are kind of gross because you just kind of slosh your own crap around, but I think this mop is perfect for baseboards because the head on it does kind of move however you want it to move, and the handle does go in different lengths. And it is wonderful for around my toilets because none of my steam mop or my crosswave actually reaches around that area, so I'm always having to get down on my hands and knees and get back there and scrub.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Here's a little bit of reality in real life for you guys. This is how dusty it was in here. I literally cleaned this bathroom. It's probably been 3 weeks since I've actually wiped those ledges down, but I swear my house gets so dusty so fast, and we changed the air filters and everything. It's just Texas weather. It's just Texas. I blame everything on Texas.
I'm not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad.
Here I am just using that same Thieves Cleaner but in my spray bottle, and this stuff works amazing pretty much for everything, but it does not streak your mirrors whatsoever. It leaves them so nice and clean. I love this cleaner because that tiny little bottle I showed you literally lasts me probably 6 months. Like, you use a capful for like everything that you do, so it's very concentrated. You don't have to use that much. I will leave a link down below for my Young Living shopping like storefront if you guys are interested, but if you haven't tried it yet, I highly suggest that you at least give it a try because my mom, she's hooked on it now that I got her a bottle of it and sent it to her. She loves this stuff.
Don't be such a stranger, tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a man.
Normally I don't have that much stuff in this drawer. I just keep it very minimal on the things that I use with face products and makeup, but I actually have a ton of like overnight masks and little lotions right now because my neighbor had all these samples and she was nice enough to let me have them. So I've been kind of having fun every night trying like a new overnight face mask, and I'm loving it.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun.
Fun story for you guys. This vanity top, not the actual cabinet, but this countertop that is on our vanity, we got for free. Back a couple months ago, I think it was Lowe's was doing some type of thing. If you text a certain number to a number that they had, it would within like 5 minutes give you either a $5, $10, $50, $100 or $500 gift card. And I did it. I got a $5 gift card, and then my husband tried, and it was funny because it wasn't working on his phone. For some reason, the text was not going through. I tried and tried. I think I tried like 5 times, and we finally were like, let's just set the phone down. We went into a store, came back out. My husband gets in the truck, looks at his phone, and I see him just like kind of scream and throw it onto the seat. And I was like, what happened? And he's like, we got $500. So we rushed to Lowe's, and we knew that we were redoing our master bathroom, already had the cabinet, and so we got our vanity that we had been looking at for a couple of months now, and we got it for free, and a weed whacker. It was so fun. Comment down below if you guys have ever won anything like that. Like, we never win things, and that was such a shocker to have done that.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your bars.
Another fun story, since we're on the story thing. You guys have probably never seen inside of my closet, and that's because probably about 4 months ago, before I came back to YouTube and started filming, I was deep cleaning this bathroom, and as I'm working around the baseboards, I get to the closet, which had really old carpet. We replaced all the carpet in this house when we moved in, but forgot to do the master closet. So it was really gross. I think it was probably as old as this house, so about 10 years old. It was kind of crusty, and I just ripped it out. So you can imagine, right now, it is just concrete. It is literally just concrete slab, and it's really gross. And be looking out, because I am looking into flooring options right now, and I'm about to pull the trigger. I'm about to pull the trigger, and I'm going to be filming a video, and I'm going to be installing this floor, and I'm so excited. There you guys have it. Everything is super clean. Tub is super clean. The floors are still drying. This is all that matters, is this is nice and fresh and smelling clean. And this looks so good. And the shower was nice and scrubbed. I will probably scrub it another time when I take a shower tomorrow morning, like do the walls a little bit better. But the mirror is nice and clean. So there you guys go. Hope you guys like this video. See you next time.